Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an owner-only tool in Roblox Studio. So it's very simple one. All you're going to do is add in a gear. So if it's a free model, just press any of the model, press OK in personal. Then what you're going to do is drag your gear at server storage. Then go workspace, add in a script. Then make sure the script is named after your gear. Make sure to add script at the last thing so they can be recognizable. Alright, so then I'll be adding in the script my own script. So this will be a pretty easy one. All you gotta do is make sure your own game pass and make it private. As you can see, it's mine. This is the ID, and what you're going to do is paste it over at this part and this number. Then all you gotta do here is put here the name of your gear. So as you can see, also here is this name. So that's the scripting. Make sure that the item here, your game pack, is not on sale. Otherwise, some players might buy it. Then they will own the hammer or any of your gear. So we're going to be testing this out. Alright, so it's loading. So if I load, I should be getting the one that I selected. As you can see it's here, it's brand new, and I'll be showing as proof that others don't have it. So I'm on my alt. You can see I don't have the gear. If I see, if I go on my avatar, it still doesn't have it. So if I go to my main account, which is the owner only, I have the one that I chose, and my alt doesn't, and it does work. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.